Hey guys, welcome to Everything Foodie. Today I'll be showing you how to make some roasted corn with some pear and with some coconut. And if it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share with everyone. And here is the fresh corn that I'll be using to do this roasted corn. The corn is so fresh, and I was like, I'm going to show you guys how to do this from the comfort of your home with your oven. Okay, and this is the pear. Okay, actually in my dialect this is called ube. Let me know what this is called in your dialect in the comment section. We'll be using this to enjoy the corn. Okay, and we'll be using coconut. In my dialect we call this aki beke. Let me know what it is called in your dialect. Okay, this is what we'll be using to enjoy this fresh roasted corn. And I'll go ahead to place the corn in my oven tray, the rack, and I placed my corn on it. Okay, so that is basically what you need to do. You space it out. You don't need, let it not congest. Okay, make sure they are all well spaced, and we'll be placing it in the oven. Remember, your oven should be preheated for like 20 minutes. And after 30 minutes, yes, I brought the corn out to see how it's doing, to flip it the other way around. Those people that roast this corn on the roadside in Nigeria, once in a while they keep flipping the corn round, round, round to make sure that it's roasting evenly. Okay, and I will place it back in the oven after turning it this way. Okay, this is just to make sure that the corn is roasting evenly so that one side doesn't roast more than the other side. That is basically why you need to keep checking on it. You keep turning it, okay, depending on the level of your oven. Okay, and after about 20 minutes I brought it out again. Okay, and at this point the corn is almost done. Okay, but we need to keep flipping it. Okay, I was actually, when it was in the oven, I was watching it, okay, to make sure it is baking well or roasting well. And at this point we'll be adding our pear. Just like I told you guys, in my dialect this is called ube. Okay. Ube. All right, just like avocado, in my dialect it is called ube. Okay, but we call it ube beke, and this is ube igbo. Okay, let me know what this is called in your dialect. I really want to know. And I just threw in the coconut in there. All right, just like I said, this is called ake. Aki beke, all right, in my dialect. Let me know what this is called in your dialect. And I'm putting it back in the oven. Okay, after 10 minutes, this is what it looks like. Oh my God. The color is so beautiful, and the pear is well roasted. It didn't get burnt because you need to keep your eyes on it. You can see the coconut, and when you roast your coconut like this, it gives it another taste. Okay, it takes the taste of the coconut to the next level. You can see this is all well roasted. I'm loving it. My whole family enjoyed it. Okay, let me know if you take corn, if you do it in your home, if you do this in the comfort of your home, because back in Nigeria, most of us, we always go to the street to buy it, but here I'm gonna do this. Okay, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you, and God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe and